ہمارے چینل سے جڑنے کے لیے YouTube پر لمرا ایجنسی سبسکرائب کریں۔
اور اب میں بڑی تیزی کے ساتھ جو ہے الحمدللہ یہاں کی جو معلمہ ہیں بچوں پر محنتیں مشقتیں کر رہی ہیں، جن کی محنتوں کا صلہ آپ نے اپنی آنکھوں سے دیکھا ہے، اور ان اساتذہ اکرام کا میں سمرین فاطمہ سے میں التماس کرتا ہوں کہ آپ مائک پر آئیں اور اپنی پاکیزہ فکری گفتگو سے ہم سامعین کے قلوب و اذہان کو محبتوں سے جو ہے الہیہ سے لبریز کریں۔ یہ شعر سماعت کر لیں کہ دیکھو تو صحیح دوستوں ایک بار حسن کا۔ میں آپ سے گزارش کرتا ہوں آپ جب تک مائک پر آئیں یہ شعر آپ سماعت کر لیں۔ دوستوں دیکھو تو صحیح دوستوں ایک بار حسن کا، انداز ہنسی خوب ہے کردار حسن کا، انداز ہنسی خوب ہے کردار حسن کا، بے شک یہ روایت ہے یہاں شک نہیں کچھ بھی، روح آپ سے ملتا ہے سرکار حسن کا۔ میں گزارش کروں گا۔
السلام علیکم ورحمۃ اللہ وبرکاتہ۔ My name is Samreen Ansari. I will teach Makhdoom Ashraf Arabic School. حضرت امام حسین کی شہادت کو سلام، حضرت امام حسین کی شہادت کو سلام، خدا پہ فنا ہونے کی عبادت کو سلام۔ صبا پہ جو گزرے کربلا سے تو اسے کہتا ہے ارتھ والا، صبا پہ جو گزرے اسے کہتا ہے کربلا والا، ارتھ والا، تو دھیرے گزر یہاں میرا حسین سو رہا ہے۔ قریب اللہ کے آؤ تو کوئی بات بنے، قریب اللہ کے آؤ تو کوئی بات بنے، ایمان پھر سے جگاؤ تو کوئی بات بنے، لہو جو بہہ گیا کربلا میں حسین کا، مقصد اس کا سمجھو تو کوئی بات بنے۔ Hassan was born in Medina in century 625. Surah the defend on the vendor is born in the Islamic month of Shaban or the Ramzan frog. The most early verse give his birthday at the 15th Ramzan in 3 Hijri. 2 March in the century 225 century, which is the annually celebrated by the Ahl Sunnat wal Jamaat. Hassan was the firstborn of the Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam, daughter Fatima and his cousin Ali. Their unit holds the special, the spirit in the sanctified for Muslim bride Nasr and Afruddin, and the Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam, he is followed divine the orders to marry Fatima to Ali, narrate the Sunni al-Dasuit. The date of the 1505 among the others, Ali the reported had the cousin and another name is Sunni Sorokset, but differed the Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam, who the named the child Hassan. The good parent, the two celebrated his birth, Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam, celebrated and the red wall the field Fatima at the shaped head Hassan had the donate the width of his hair in the silver. Lifetime of Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam. Hassan was the raised in the Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam household until the age of the 7, with his the grandfather died early. The short said while the reported Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam for the love for Hassan and his the brother Hassan, the saying that Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam allowed the boys to the climb on his back while his both the prodded in the pair, and the interpreted the sermon at the two pick in the Hassan after his grandson fixed on one occasion. Hassan later the result is the grandfather took away a debt from his and explained that the receiving alms in the sadaqah was the burden for his family. Added the saying in the conscientious Sunni collection, the Sunni Ibn Majah, names is the Hassan and the Hussein, and this is the said is the chiefs of the yacht in the paradise is the book that arrest that is headed is the word is the reported Wilvexia granted in that 1989, not this is the 18th century. At the head is the saying in the Consul in the Sunni collection, Sunni Ibn Majah names Hassan and the chief youth is the apprentice, the Mughal adds that see the head it where they reported the Wilvexia, where the date 89, 98, the news stood the HHE was the deported by the Umar the Marwan in the 684, 685 is the day name of the Sirksis and the Consul of the Shia Surah is the Khatib al-Irshad And then read the prophet hated he who was the left Hassan, and the Hassan has the love he mean, and he was either hated them he as the mean is the simile, the conscience of Sunni or said Shia al the Timridi, all the aggression to Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam, operate the loves means and the loves theirs to the Hassan and the Hussein, and the loves their mother and the father Fatima and Ali will be with in my section honored of the day. Mukhalba, after and in collection the date of in the 600 in the 34th Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam, and the literature the Christian decided to intervene in the Muqabla. Braided in the field is the parasite of the wild in the to invoke the gods in the upon the layer Mughlan and the others in the Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam in preceded in this event the oblation Hassan Hussain and their the parents. These also the Shia involved in the construction mode the Sunni counts by all the Tabligh in the date of the 923 do not the name the parents of the event will the some other Sunni has agree with Shia. But during the event Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam greeted the Hassan, Hussain and Ali and Fatima under the clock and the addressed them he is al-Ibad in the according to the some Shia and Sunni sources including the consciously Shia Muslim and the Shia al-Timridi Maghlab. The date of Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam and the Fatima the 632. Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam died in the 11th century 632 century when his husband was about 7. Here is the family prepared for the burial of the groups of the Muslim gathered and the Asfaq and the appointed the Abu Bakr. As Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam selected in the absence of his family and his the majority of the Muhajirin. The mixing of the Muslim Ali Fatima and the some the supported did not the wrongs in the tabulation of Abu Bakr. The saying that the Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam had appointed Ali, he has the selection of the opposite the referring to the graded in the Qum in the 632. کربلا میں اپنا وعدہ نبھانے والا کربلا میں اپنا وعدہ نبھانے والا حسین ہے حق کی خاطر سر کو کٹانے والا حسین ہے وہ کیسے ہو سکتے ہیں گمراہ زمانے میں جنہیں جہاں میں راستہ بتانے والا حسین ہے السلام علیکم ورحمۃ اللہ وبرکاتہ